Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the recent files in Adobe Illustrator. But first, I want to be honest with you. Illustrator doesn't really have a clean or direct way to do this. There's a workaround method to remove individual recent files, and there's also a way to completely hide recent files altogether. First, let's look at the workaround method because this is the only way to actually remove specific files from the recent files list. Here, I have a recent file, and let's say I want to remove this one. To get Illustrator to remove this file from the list, what I need to do is find this Illustrator file and rename it. If I bring my cursor down to the File section, it shows where the file is saved. In my case, it's saved on the desktop. I'll go to that location, right-click on the file, then click Rename, and just add something like v2 to the end of the file name. Now let's go back to Illustrator. If I try to open the file now, it's going to say the file doesn't exist, and I can just hit OK. The file won't open. Unlike Photoshop, which actually removes it right away, Illustrator doesn't fully delete it from the list yet. To make this work, I need to close Illustrator and then reopen it. When Illustrator opens again, because it couldn't find that renamed file, it automatically removes it from the recent files list. You can repeat this same process with any of the recent files. Just rename the original file on your computer and Illustrator won't be able to locate it anymore. This forces Illustrator to remove it from the recent files list. That said, this is definitely a workaround method and you have to do it individually for each file, which isn't very convenient. The other option is useful if you simply don't want to see recent files at all. To do this, go up to Edit and then click on Preferences. From there, go to File Handling. Here, you'll see an option for the number of recent files to display. Change that value to 0 and click OK. Now Illustrator won't display any recent files on the home screen. Even if I close the app and reopen it again, there will be no recent files showing if you set the value to 0. And that's how you can remove recent files from Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.